Cook on a Weber smoker grill. If you have a Weber smoker grill, you're lucky. This fantastic device lets you cook using slow-low heat of below 300 degrees Fahrenheit, thereby releasing the full rich flavor of the meat, while retaining the tenderness and moistness of the meat. It's great for cooking a variety of items including pork ribs, turkey, and beef. The Weber Smokey Mountain Cooker Smoker comes in two sizes, 18.5-inch and the 22-inch version. It has a porcelain enameled cover, an aluminum door, 2 grates for 2 layers of cooking, a water pan, and a built-in thermometer. Here's how to cook on a Weber smoker grill. Start the fire. Remove the water pan to access the charcoal grill. Place the chimney starter on the charcoal grill. Add crumpled newspapers at the bottom, then put the charcoal inside the charcoal grill. Do a mix of smoked wood chips and some charcoal briquettes. Next, light the newspapers with a match so that it will heat up the charcoal. Your briquettes should be ready in around 10 minutes. Transfer the coal onto the charcoal grill and remove the chimney starter. Protect your hands by using oven mitts whenever handling the charcoal and wood. Add the wood. The smoke from the burning coal will be released onto the meat, so use flavored wood chips. Use around 2 to 3 long pieces of wood, choosing from oak, mesquite, apple, hickory, and other nut trees. Try experimenting and mix up the types of wood to see the subtle differences in flavor that it adds to the meat. Soak it in water before placing the wood on top of the charcoal. Once the wood is inside and you have started cooking, do not poke or move the charcoal inside or it will release the ash onto the meat. Add the water. Fill the water pan with hot water and place it at the bottom. This will keep the meats moist during the cooking process. In a few minutes, the water will start to steam. Set up the grill. Decide if you will be using both layers of the smoker or just one. Place the cooking grate inside the smoker. Place your seasoned meat onto the grate. Close the door and you're ready to start cooking. Adjust the exhaust. There is an exhaust vent at the bottom and another one at the top of the smoker. Leave it open for the first 2 hours or so of cooking to allow for the proper movement of the smoke inside. This will regulate and maintain the temperatures inside at a steady 225 to 275 degrees. Leave the inlet vent slightly open to allow for some air circulation to keep your coals going. If you want to raise the temperature, rest the lid slightly off-center to allow more air inside. Do this for only about 10 minutes since the temperature can change dramatically. If you want to lower the temperature, take out the lid for a bit, then return when the desired temperature has been reached. Wait it out. Depending on the type and thickness of the meat, it will take around 5 to 6 hours for the cooking process to be complete. Using the built-in thermometer, monitor the temperature of your smoker. Because of the long cooking process, if you can start cooking in the morning if you want to have the meat ready by later afternoon. Cooking with your smoker can be done on a weekend when you have the leisure time to wait for your food. Cook your meat the old-fashioned way and discover the difference.